did the invisible man first become visible? The invisible man first became visible mysteriously in if I answer. The invisible man first became visible mysteriously in Iping. It was when Mrs. Hall went to him. She wanted to know what he had done to the chairs. Why was he wandering in the streets? To take revenge from the landlord, Griffin had set fire to his house. He had taken off his clothes to escape without being seen. Thus, he was feeling cold, therefore, Griffin had been wandering in London streets for a safe. Why does Mrs. Hall find the scientist eccentric? Mrs. Hall wanted to be friendly with Griffin as he was very talkative lady. She desired to talk to him, but he did not show any interest in her. He told her that he desired solitude. He wanted no one to talk to him. That's why she called him eccentric. 4. What curious episode occurs in the study? The curious episode occurs in the study when the clergyman and his wife find their money missing. They find that someone has taken it away from the desk. It was a mystery because there was no one who took away that money. How can you say that Griffin was a lawless person? Griffin was a lawless person. To take revenge from his landlord, he set fire to the house. He took away clothes from the store without paying. He hit a shopkeeper and stole his money. He stole money from the clergyman's house. What other extraordinary things happen at the inn? So many extraordinary things happened in the inn. One of them is that the landlord and his wife found the scientist door open, but no one in the room. Then Mrs. Hall heard sniff close to his ear. What extraordinary things at the inn? So many extraordinary things happened in the inn. One of them is that the landlord and his wife found the scientist's door open, but no one is the room. Then Mrs. Hall heard sniff close to her ear. After a moment, the hat on the bedpost leapt up and hit itself into her face. The chair began moving automatically. These things made people furious. People are furious because there are so many mysterious things are going one by one. There is no one in the room, but the room is wide open. Mrs. Sniff heard the sound of Mrs. Hall heard the sound of sniff near him, and the hand had lifted itself and hit on her face. These things make people furious. Question 7. Would you like to become visual? What advantages and disadvantages do you foresee if you did? Yes, I want to be. I want to become invisible like Griffin, but my way of working is different from Griffin. Then I would punish people, those who cause trouble to others. Advantage of become Advantage: evil things could be checked, violent thugs shall be eliminated. Disadvantage: honesty, love, fellow feelings, sympathy, extra will disappear. Animalism will prevail. Character sketch of Griffin. Griffin is an intelligent and eccentric scientist. He was very gifted but used his mind in a sinister way. He devised an experiment to become invisible and then started looting and murdering whoever came in his way. He invents a formula to bend light and reduce the reflective index of physical objects, making them visible. He invents a formula to bend down. He invents a formula to bend light and reduce the reflective index of physical objects, making them visible. Some rare drugs and drank it, and his body became invisible. He experiments on himself and make himself invisible. He does not feel sorry even after his burglary led to his father's death. Although Griffin is lonely and seems to have been misunderstood from time to time, he fails to gain sympathy due to his evil deeds. He used his invention for his own. Moral of the story is one should not misuse the power that he or she have. Griffin discovered a formula how to become invisible. He misused his invention. He wanted to establish a reign of terror by hurting and booting people. Thank you.